Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to give you a tour of my parents' gorgeous lake house, all decorated for summer. If you're a subscriber and you've watched my videos, you'll know that over the past couple years we've been working on my parents' beautiful lake house. My husband helped build it, I'm helping to decorate it and stage it. However, my parents are doing the majority of the work right now. They are finishing the home themselves. They're doing a fantastic job. So today I wanted to give you a tour of all of the rooms that are finished so far, decorated for summer. So I hope in this video you'll find some inspiration for your own summer decor this year. There's some great simple ideas. Plus I'm sharing with you a couple of rooms in their home that I haven't ever shared with you before here on the channel. Their beautiful new entryway as well as their dining room. So let's get started on Mom's Lake House tour for summer.
Welcome to my mom and dad's lake house, all decorated for summer. This is their beautiful new entryway that they just finished. I absolutely love how bright and cheery and simple this entry looks. To the left is an antique bench that my aunt gave to my mom. I love how it is over 2 stories high. We have this beautiful lantern fixture that build.com gave me to give to my mom. My mom made the pillows, they're DIY, and the tree on the left is my own faux fiddle leaf fig from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to check out my blog post with all of the sources and more details on all of the rooms here. I love how my mom put some DIY board and batten in the entry just to kind of break it up a little. And I have to show you guys the beautiful stairs that my parents finished themselves. They made the newel post themselves with some MDF as well as some trim, and I think they did such a beautiful job. And they did all the stair nosings themselves. The floor is just a laminate and they make it look extra classy with these custom stair nosings that my mom stained herself. Here's another glance at my parents' finished living room. I did a whole video tour on this living room recently, so I'll just leave a link to that up in the corner and in the description box below. Turning around from the living room, you'll see my parents' dining room as well as the kitchen, which I've shared here on the channel before, and everything is just really light and fresh for summer. So the dining room, my mom found this antique hutch at our local antique store. I love the candelabra fixture she has in here, and then she just has a vintage table and some chairs she already had on hand. Her vision eventually is to paint the chairs and the hutch in a soft off-white color to lighten up the space, but for now I really love how the black ties in with the black of the stools in the kitchen as well as the black of the light fixture she has in her home. Just some simple fruit and some summery scones on the island just give it a fresh summer vibe. And I love how this stair railing just ties into everything so nicely, and everything is just so light and fresh and simple in here for summer. If you want more details on my mom's kitchen, I'll leave a link to a full tour of that I've done before in the description box below. Now coming up the beautifully finished stairs, there's a few rooms up here that my parents are still working on, a couple of guest bedrooms and a bathroom, but the laundry room is another one of the finished rooms here that I just love. My parents finished this themselves as well, and I just love how they've done the custom shelving in here, as well as the counter over the washer and the dryer. And I think it's just such a beautiful and adorable space for my mom to do her laundry. And finally, I wanted to share with you again my parents' gorgeous master bedroom. I love this light gray-green color of the wall in here, and I've just brightened it up a little bit for summer with some pops of coral and blue in the textiles. I love how the coral plays against the green in this room already. I love how green and coral look together. It's such a beautiful summery combo. We also put some fresh art on the wall above the bed, just a simple summery look, and my mom's faux plant is in the corner. As well, there's some nautical inspired accessories on the nightstands just to give it even more of that summer look. The pillows on the bed are DIY. My mom made the blue striped ones and I made the floral pillows. And I also made some coral pillow covers for over here in their seating area. And I know a lot of you asked me a few videos ago to share the view outside of their master bedroom, and here it is. All the leaves are out for summer now, so it's just gorgeous. They have this green space and then you can see the lake in the background. It's an absolutely beautiful view.
Thanks so much for taking this tour with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below which of the rooms in my mom's lake house was your favorite. I think my favorite is their master bedroom still. Love that ceiling still. Love these bright pops of color for summer in there. And of course the rest of the rooms in their home are gorgeous as well, but that's just my personal favorite. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like DIY and decor ideas on a budget, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell if you want to be the first to hear of my latest videos. Thanks again, guys. Bye.